Alright guys, it's the end of day 3. We got the front of the flag painted and pretty much the bottom done. I'll walk around here and give you a little walk around. Oh. Oh. Got the Army over the anchor. Thunderbird on the back. The sun on. He's getting there. We gotta set the scaffolding up in the morning, peel the bark off the back, and put the rock ledge in and do a little more painting and seal it up. Oh, step up here. He's getting there. I'll do another end of the day video tomorrow. We should have him wrapped up sometime tomorrow evening. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. If you like the videos, like, subscribe, and I'll have some more stuff up. Till next time.